Power on in general operation. To power on, simply press and hold the menu button. To power off, press and hold the menu button, then the lock button after the prompt. When powered on, use the up and down arrows to scroll through the pre-programmed channels. A long press will move faster through the frequency list. Charging. The Nitro Bee Xtreme uses a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and can be charged with the included USB cable from any standard USB power supply. Presets. The Nitro Bee Xtreme features 2 presets which you can program with the frequencies of your choice between 400 and 480 MHz. To save a frequency into one of your 2 presets, scroll to the desired frequency. Press and hold P1 or P2 until P1 or P2 appears under the frequency, indicating the frequency is stored. To access your preset at any time, simply press P1 or P2. Button lock and auto lock. The Nitro Bee Xtreme features 2 great ways to lock your keypad and prevent accidental changes during use. You can manually lock the keypad by simply pressing and holding the lock button until the display reads locked or unlocked. The alternative method is using the auto lock feature, which automatically locks the keypad after 5, 10, or 15 seconds. To activate and configure this feature, press the menu button and scroll down to Settings. Scroll down to Auto Lock and choose your preferred lockout time. Leave it in manual if you prefer using the lock button on the keypad. Volume button. Volume is easily controlled by pressing the plus or minus button on the keypad as shown here. Channel groups. To select the desired channel group, press the menu icon to open the settings. Press it again to open channel group. From here you can scroll up or down to make your choice, then press the menu button again to confirm your selection. When in one of these groups, you can then scroll up or down to find a frequency. Channel mode. Channel mode allows you to either scroll through all program frequencies or manually input a frequency. To access and change this setting, press the menu button, scroll to channel mode, press the menu button again. Scroll to make your selection and press the menu icon again to confirm. Manual input. You can manually tune to any frequency between 400 and 480 MHz. Simply press the menu button, scroll to the channel mode, press the menu button again, select manual input, and press the menu button to confirm. Now scroll up or down to choose your desired frequency. Squelch. When you are in either of these 2 channel groups, press the menu button and scroll to Squelch. A setting of 1 will receive the weakest radio signal, while a higher setting like 9 is good for clear, strong radio communication and filtering out unwanted signals. Key beeps. This feature turns on audible button beeps into your earbuds. To turn on or off, press the menu button. Scroll to Settings. Select Key beeps. Scroll up or down to choose on or off and press the menu button to confirm your settings. Tone codes. Tone codes can be added to GMRS and UHF analog frequencies. Simply navigate to Settings and scroll to Tone codes and press the menu button. From here, select your desired tone code type and then select your desired tone code. When completed, the screen will read your channel or frequency along with the tone code you've configured. Adding tone codes to digital frequencies can be done with programming software available from RT Systems. Audio priority. For many racing sanctioning bodies, audio priority to race control is required. The Nitro Bee Xtreme, when used in conjunction with an optional cable shown here, will allow 2-way radio use, but also allow audio priority to race control. This means race control will override any audio, so drivers never miss critical communication. Backlight Timer. You can customize the duration of the backlit display after a set length of inactivity. To set, press the menu button, scroll to Settings, then scroll to Backlight and choose Timer. Scroll to your desired increment and press the menu button to confirm. Display Dimmer. To adjust the brightness of the display, press the menu button, scroll to Settings, Scroll to Backlight and choose Dimmer. Scroll up or down to adjust. When you find your desired brightness, press the menu button to confirm. Programming software. Channels and settings can be saved and programmed into your Nitro Bee Xtreme with PC programming software available and supported from RT Systems. The Nitro Bee Xtreme. Outperform expectations.